Day 2 here. Last night we went to Target. It's really fun. I didn't bring my sunglasses, I'm kind of regretting it right now. But yeah, it's super fun. We got some, like, we went to Target yesterday. I found some Alani new products. I'm gonna try this because the thing is, like, it's really expensive if you order it in Canada. Back in Canada, like, typically people would buy that with their pre-workouts and they ship it. Yeah, it's kind of annoying actually, but this is today. I think we're just gonna go where they shot Fast and Furious scene. It's in, like, I think, like, Santa Ana. That's where it is. That's what it's called. Has, like, it's a big Vietnamese community there. There's a lot of like food, malls, giant, like, Buddha statues. They shot one of the scenes of the Fast and Furious there as well. So you're gonna put, like, a little video of it somewhere. But yeah, it's gonna be really cool. We're gonna go see a lot of different stuff out there. I just love the sun. Oh, I'm just really loving the sun. Seriously. Anyways, we're about to take off. Okay. So we're at a place called Costa Mesa Mall. And then one really cool thing about this mall right now that I've heard from my aunts and uncles is that there is an awesome Lunar New Year exhibit that you can see. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a little B-roll if I can. We'll see, like, all these, they're wearing, like, all the traditional ao dai and stuff. Jeez. It's like the ao dai is like a transforming, like, Superman outfit that you have to go and throw on really quick. Wow. You said it to grandma. Grandma took it. Yeah. They're wearing, like, traditional outfit here. Looks so good. It's like traditional ao dai. It's so cool. It's like traditional, like, Vietnamese wear. It's really cool. Yeah, pretty. Yes.
It's on. Okay, so we're at the, what is it? The Costa Mesa?
Costa Mesa Mall.
Costa Mesa Mall.
Like
all the designers. Like, I've seen Dior. This mall has 3 Louis Vuitton stores.
Yeah.
3 separate Louis Vuitton stores.
They generally would get, like, the new designs here first.
This cool little display.
This is for, like, your Aunt Sarah.
Yeah. Cartier.
How are you doing with this camera?
I'm doing my best.
This video belongs to her.
Not really. Trying to get you good B-roll. I feel like some of the best parts of, like, videos is the B-roll.
This we go to stop to Santa Ana.
Full of coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah,
Can
inside.
I eat some food?
Oh, they have a lot of food
Yes,
inside.
that's what I love. I'm sorry, I don't like name brand stuff. I care about, like, food, life experience, travel. I know, I want to enjoy life. Yeah. How good Lewis knows how it goes.
Lewis knows how it is.
Wise words. Knows how it goes.
So hard, copy. Let's find common ground. Meet me in a lost and found. Yeah. Dark days turning into dark nights. I hit the strip and spend it all. I'm having hard times. I reminisce reminiscing at me looking through the archives. I seen a picture of you looking like a star shines. And you're bright, 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 like the lights on a fight night, night. Love hit me like a mic, mic, mic. You know I'ma get it right, right, right. So stay with me, run away with me. Need like a dope fiend, need dope. Need like coke fiend, need coke. Even though your heart cold, ski slope. I really hope the song bringing me close.
So remember when I was a little boy, I always came here every time. Mom and Dad always wants to come here. We always see these places.
Wait.
Need a mask?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I
Got my
got
mask. Okay.
You got one?
Okay, got it. Hey, stupid mask. Stupid mask.
Oh, look at these horses.
But yeah. But this place here. Okay, it's called like Folokta. It's like literally Asian garden mall. But I remember being a little boy and always being here. But back home we don't have a lot of Vietnamese people, and like I said, like I don't. Every time I come here, I feel like it's nice. And
Yeah.
like you can feel like you're at home. I don't know why, but Brittany feels like she's out of place.
Of course.
Right here, here's the food court. Right here. Oh, food court. There's all these foods, and it's all around. Yeah, let's go around and go look. This is really cool, and there's usually those like performances and everything here. This is like my childhood right here. Yeah, just come on. We're gonna look. Happy toys. This is the place. You got toys all the time. Brings a lot of memories. It's crazy. Unfortunately, like a lot of these places, like the pandemic, like they closed down. But yes, and then some more Vietnamese food.
Avocado smoothie.
I know. Avocado smoothie is my favorite. Your favorite right there.
Yeah, I like
the Vietnamese coffee. Vietnamese cafe too. The drip ones, that's her favorite. No, the cafe, yeah. What's your feeling on all this?
I love this. I think these malls are awesome.
Why?
I love seeing like all the little like tiny shops, and they're all
And
owned by,
cultures.
like, mom and pop, and like the culture is just so different.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I don't necessarily have
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So it's cool to like get to experience your culture in a bit more of an authentic setting.
Yeah.
And like Chinese New Year just happened, so everything's still like decorated and
I know.
over the top right now, which is really fun.
A few moments later.
I honestly never been here before, but I'll try anything. They look like they have like gum, pho, though. A type of noodles. Oh.
This is egg noodle.
Custom.
Yeah. Right noodle.
So this is like a custom noodle house, yeah? Oh, custom noodle house.
They have rice.
Thêm một cái. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. This is cool. Yeah. It's like a custom noodle house. Cool. Cool. So cái này là let's see, I don't know.
I love seafood.
Cái này giống bánh canh á, like bánh canh gì phải không? Like hủ tiếu rồi hả? Oh.
Nó có hủ tiếu đặc biệt đó.
Oh, okay, seafood. Cái này beef brisket. Oh, cool. Okay. I think I've been here before, but I think my mom loves that too.
Oh, you've been to one in Godfrey, not here.
Oh, oh. Good. Like this is my mom's favorite food. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't be picky.
Can't be picky. Paul would have left me if I was picky. Don't say no to the food. Yeah. Good.
I never say no to food.
No, never say no to food. I don't know if mom's made it.
No, she make bánh canh them. You got like udon noodle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or use the udon noodle.
Yeah, it's udon noodle.
Same, right?
It is. She. Wow, it's not important. We're gone now. So just finished up the day a little bit. Got back home from Target and then just relaxing now at the moment. It's just been a long day. Like the past couple days, it's just been non-stop go. Experiencing this, that, and everything like that just means a lot. Honestly, thank you to like all my family. It means a lot. Tomorrow, I get to kind of borrow my cousin's car. We're gonna go probably do something. I'm not too sure tomorrow. The pace has just been so fast, and it's just been a lot, and so blessed. And honestly, like I've gone like sit down and just like. It's good to see my family. It's good to see like everybody, and it's just nice to see. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like super exhausted. It's only like I'm gonna see what time it is right now. It's about 9:27 our time over here, and so that back home that would be about like 12:30, close to 12:30, and I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go and edit this film tonight, and then we're gonna go and put it back on YouTube, and it's gonna keep growing from there. I want to keep pointing out as much as I can. Yeah, I'm just having lots of fun. I'm having lots of fun. Like I said, I just get to kind of connect again with my cousin Brandon, his mom and dad, my grandparents even as well too. It's like I said, I didn't realize that it was actually about 10 years since I saw them. 10. I thought it was 8. It's wild. Crazy to think about that. And so yeah, it's been a lot, and there's still more to come. There's still more ants to see. We haven't seen all of them yet. Brittany's just been having a good time. She's been loving it. She's been loving everything about it. My aunts love her, everything about her, and honestly is so blessed. And so like I said, tomorrow we're probably gonna do our own thing. I'm gonna see what's up. Yeah, we're gonna hang out and see what's up. I have no idea what we're doing. I'm just so drained today, so exhausted. Gotta go rest. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.